Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is for ticker symbol Idex for the company Ideonomics. So in this channel, I cover Idex time to time because I'm long on Idex. I made many videos on IDX, and if you are planning to enter for this particular stock or if you're holding IDEX, this is the place you should be subscribed. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, this is up by 6.5% and currently sitting at 3.36 at the time of the recording of the video. But it went, you see here, around 3.5, now coming down. The market is coming down, and I think it might get a bounce from 3.35 or 3.3 around this area. We will see. But at the same time, congratulations whoever bought the wish call option yesterday with me, because pre-market wish went to 17.6. even when the market opened it was around 14.75, and once the market opened everything was coming down, we got out. Same thing happened with our CLOV call option, and also like CLNE, this is another one. Also we are playing with SDC today, so far it is doing really good. And whoever is subscribed to my channel, and also you are part of the community, you join my YouTube channel community, you are getting member only information. Anyway, enough of that. So IDEX, I think just looking at the chart you can see we are doing good. But if you have watched this particular thing, so these two lines, the two black lines, are drawn by me, and I was talking about this because even though IDX was very volatile, moving between 2.5 and 3.5, but the thing is, you can see the overall there was a downward pressure, right? At one point it broke, it came down, but this time when it broke the 2.8 area, it moved sideways, and now things are going up. So things are looking really nice, because as long it can hold the $3 area, I think this is a very bullish sign. Now going forward, what is the plan, what is the support, what is the resistance, I'm going to cover in this particular video. But again, if you are holding it for long, then definitely this is a good one, because if you know already that Roth Capital gave it a price target of $7, and if you look at the chart, it went almost 5.5, and currently we are 3.36. so you see it has some potential, but I want to cover some of the thing here. So first of all, there is an event for Ideonomics. They will present at the LD Micro invitation, and it will be presented on June 10th at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So in this particular channel, I will be broadcasting that event. If you want, make sure you are subscribed and your all notification is open. In that case, you can see at the presentation. So it will be Thursday, June 10th at 6 p.m. Eastern time, right? This is one thing. Few other articles from investor place. Buying Ideonomics stock is nothing more than wild speculation, and don't trust all of the articles here, because sometimes they are bulls, sometimes they are bearish. But I want to cover this because I want to show you both sides of the coin. It's not like just pumping this will go to the moon. I just want to give you both sides, and there is a report, so I just want to cover. So it came 2 days ago. It talks about so many things, painful bear market, and it also show you the chart here. At the same chart I think I will show you, but see it has been moving between 2.25 and 3.5. this is the channel, and today we hit 3.5 again. Now we are coming down. So anyway, it talks that the simply truth is most of these stocks trade below $5 for a reason. That's not good. And let's see at the final things I want to show you here before I move. So Idex stock topped out near 5.5 in February before cascading lower. 3.5 failed to act as a support, then turned to resistance. If shares can push to the 21-week moving average, then 3.5 becomes next upside target for the bull. We hit 3.5 today. Above 3.5 and the push to $5 plus could be possible. Keep in mind the 5.5 to 6 area has been multi-year resistance for this name. We know on the downside, a break of the 50-day moving average is not good. It could put Idex stock back below downward resistance and set the stage for a retest of 2.25 level and a 200-day moving average. So it is saying that 3.5 would be a resistance. If it can be broken, it might come down all the way to 2.5 or 2.5, but if we go over 3.5, then maybe we can retest 5.5 and 6. I will go back to the chart. Another one I found, it came June 7th. That is Idex a good choice in software application Monday. So it talks about Idex received an overall rating of 64, which means that it scores higher than 64% of all stock. Ideonomics also achieved a score of 98 in the software application industry, putting it above 98% of software application stock. And yeah, so yeah, the Idex is 3.39, we know. Now let's look at some other ones. So just looking at the volume today, the average volume is 20 million and today's volume is 29 million, which is really good. So more volumes are coming. So I will talk about a call option, but before that, I want to show you something. That you see the June 18th expiry date and see the open interest. So 48,000 call options are still waiting and their break even is 3.46. Look at 22,000 call option, their break even is 2.73. So they are still open, especially this one 3.46. You see 20,000 call options are traded, but this one is still open 43%. I just want to show you. Looking at July, I think you will see less here, but again you see four strikes, so 4.3, still 12,000 call options are waiting. Anyway, if you want to play with Idex call option, I would suggest just try something with 2023, which will give you 590 days to expire, and take a delta around 98 or 94, 91, anything is fine. So $1 increase for IDX, you will gain like $91. So if you buy 100 share, you have to pay $338 based on the current price, but just buying this you have to pay $265. So you are paying little less, but at the same time if IDX goes by $1, it will go by $91. So if you think it will go to $5, yeah, you can just buy it, and if $1 increase, you will get $91. Get in, get out. At the same time, you get 590 days to expire. Lot of time you will have, and if IDX can go to $5, $8, $10, then definitely these call options will print a lot of money. Look at the open interest. So many people are waiting here, right? So I will just leave it entirely up to you. You see the difference is very small, just $7, $8, but the delta is, this one has almost 98 delta. So anyway, again, it's up to you how you want to play. I am playing with just shares. Whenever it's coming down, I'm just buying the dip, and that's it. So let's go back. So what's the plan from now? So the thing I showed you here, so basically they are talking about something around 2.25. This was the previous bottom support, right? And the 3.5 area. So this is a very important resistance. We could not break it today, the 3.5. Let's draw it like this way. Yeah. So you see it has been moving. So if this thing needs to go to 3.5, more than 3.5, we have to break this. Otherwise, you see last time we couldn't break, we came down. So if we can break 3.5, I think this thing can run even higher. What can be the next resistance? I think somewhat around $4, and definitely you have $5. So if you haven't entered and if you want to get some confirmation, then wait for this to break 3.5, then you get in, or just wait. If it comes down again, let's see how far it can come down. Maybe it will come back to $3 again, and or maybe 2.5. Who knows? If there is a market correction, who knows how far it can come down. But what I will do, if you are just thinking to get in, wait for the break of 3.5, or wait for this to come back to $3, buy some shares. If it comes even below, buy more, but the average around $3 I think is okay. So last time I sold everything around this point, 3.11, then again I rebought around 2.56 area, then again I'm just holding. I sold some of it today and holding some. I will see if it comes down, I buy more. If it goes up, I'm happy. The ones I have, I will just keep those. So anyway, that's the thing. I'm playing with IDX, and because I introduced this particular stock to this channel, and I love to cover whatever I have introduced, whether they are doing good, whether they are doing bad. But again, that's the update. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's see how other things are doing. Wish is here. I'm very bullish with STC. So yeah, 12% up. Anyway, this video is on IDEX, and just look at the chart today before I finish here. So look at the chart. First of all, you can see this thing is coming down. At the same time, let me draw a horizontal line around this area. So the important thing is 3.3 area. If this thing comes 3.3 and it breaks 3.3, this thing will come down. On the other hand, if this thing can break this one, you see the line, the red line, if this thing can break, I think then it will bounce back again. So again, by the time you will see the video, just wait and see. Yeah, and let me know your thought about IDX. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.